Hey everyone! To make a wood bead carrot, you want to start out by painting 5 or more beads that go from large to small with orange acrylic paint. And you can put the beads on a skewer or something else to make it easier to paint them. Also, if the beads move while you paint them, you can put toothpicks in between the skewer and the wood bead so it won't move. When you're done painting the beads, you can lay the skewer onto something that's tall enough for the beads to dry without touching anything. I used a lid from a box. Once the beads are dry, you want to take them off of the skewer or whatever you used. Then you want to tie a knot on a piece of twine that's a little bit longer than what you want your carrot to be. And then you could put some beads on the twine by starting with the smallest bead. When you're done, you want to tie a knot next to the largest bead. After you're done tying the knot, you want to put hot glue on the end of some green plants, and then you want to put the ends of the plants in the hole of the largest bead. Then if you want, you can tie a bow out of anything that you want, and you can glue the bow on the carrot. The last thing you can do is that you can cut off the extra twine, and if you're worried that the twine will untie itself, you can add a tiny bit of hot glue on each knot. That's how you make your own wood bead carrots. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about this DIY, and if you like this video, subscribe to see more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!